Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get the current date in N8N. Alright, let's begin. First, open your web browser and go to the N8N website. Sign in from the top right corner using your account credentials. After logging in, head to the N8N editor interface. This is where you create and manage all your workflows. Inside the editor, click the Add Node button. A panel will open showing all available nodes you can use. These nodes are the core elements that perform specific tasks in your workflow. Use the search bar in the node panel and type current date to quickly find the node you need. When the node appears, click it to add it to your workflow. This node will instantly provide the current date whenever your workflow runs. Once added, you can connect this node with other nodes to trigger actions, store timestamps, or handle any task that depends on the current date. It is especially useful for logs, time-based conditions, and automated records. So that is basically how you can get the current date in N8N. That is it for this video. Thanks.